Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the last puzzle. Last puzzle in not today's newspaper. No, today it's Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. It's the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, September the 25th, 2021. Yeah, the weekend is almost past, but we have one puzzle left, and it's a tectonic with 1 star. All right, with 1 star. Let me position the camera. All right, and this 1 star tectonic will be number. Let me see which number it will be. Yes, it will be number 3450. All right, 3450. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 14, 16, plus 4, 20, 21. Wow. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 9, 10, 11. Well, this one has 21. All right. And for a 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. All right. That's my goal. That's my time limit. All right. So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always the 1. I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. Do we have dual boxes here? Yes, I see here dual box. The dual box, it contains the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those because I cannot fill this yet. Triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here? No, I see quadra boxes here. Quadra box. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, we see here 3, so those two boxes can be 3. The 3 could be here, could be there. Here also a quadra box. 1 digit left. Should be the 2. All right. All right. Those are the quadra boxes. We don't have any more. So the next step is to recognize some shapes, some figures, construction, structures, whatever, you name it. For example, the T shape upside down. Yes, the T shape. Let me draw this. The T shape. If you see the T shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. All right. So this box has the same number as that box. And also that box has the same number as this box. Okay. More T shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Okay. Let me draw this. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And do we have more of this kind of shape? No. How about this kind of shape? This shape, yes. Okay. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. All right. So okay. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Those are the figures. Oh wait. Are there more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. More? Do we have more? More? Here, upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the figures or shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. There are only 3 in this puzzle, but there are more of these kind of shapes. But in this puzzle, we have 3. If you recognize those shapes, then it's easy for the following step. Next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. The next step is easy to fill the numbers. Alright, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We see it there 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing and the 5 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround a 4. Can it be a 4? Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 3, this box is connected with that box, should be 1 or a 3. We already have a 3 there, so it cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 1, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Okay, so I've eliminated the 1, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this corner box for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Alright. Then let me see. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and this box should be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box can be a 3. This box can be a 4. So the 4 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. So 1 box left in this area for number 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be a 1, can be a 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. For the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. Okay. This box cannot be A1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that I've marked. No. That means, let me see. Yeah, this box cannot be a 1 anymore. It cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. But also that box cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes in those two boxes. Okay. This box cannot be a 1. So 2 boxes left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any one in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 here. The 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. No. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Correction. And 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Almost make a mistake. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. Okay. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 3. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. Quicker than or faster than 50 minutes. Yes. Definitely a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic. Playlists for the binaries. Playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus. Playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday. And we will meet again tomorrow on Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.